Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And guys, in this video, I'm just going through, the concept of Active Directory Federation server or service basically. So this is my second video in this, and in my previous video, I have spoken about how to deploy prerequisites like Active Directory Certificate Service, which is backbone for this configuration. And this video, I'll be talking about how to deploy Federation service, and in this we will see how to create claim type also. I hope this video will be informative. So guys, this is the second video in this segment. Please don't forget to subscribe channel for more videos. And in this before going further, you should be familiar with the couple of things like what is claim. So claim is nothing but a claim is a statement that is made by one object about another object such as a user. Okay, very simple thing here. And the claim could be about the user's name, job title, or any other factor that might be used in authentication scenario. And claim rules, these are the very important you can say component of federation service. Claim rules is nothing but claim rules determine how claims are processed by using business logic. This is very simple. The rules are like usually processed in real time as a claims are made. And claims provider authenticate user and send them through the authorization process with a relying party. Claim provider are the objects which issue claim about other object. And relying party the relying party is a web service that consumes claim from the claim provider. And relying party trust Active Directory Federation service configuration data that is used to provide claims about a user or a client to a relying party. Uh, it consists of various identifiers such as name, group, and various rules. And claims provider trust configuration data that defines rules under which a client may request claims from a claim provider and subsequently submit them to a relying party. It consists of various identifiers such as name, group, and various rules. So the very basic information here I'm sharing you. And now token signing certificate. So when federation servers create a token, they use public or private key pair to digitally sign a token. Okay. And service communication certificate, the certificate is also known as server authentication certificate, and it is used for secure communication. In my previous video, I did this all configuration, how to deploy Active Directory certificate authority and web server and all, what and all is required. And token decryption certificate, this certificate is used by the resource federation server to decrypt token received from the account partner federation server. Okay, so guys, these are the basic things. And here these are two server I'm using for this lab. I have one india.com, which is my 192, and 172, which is my abcd.com. And this is what I have done in my previous video also. So I will continue with the same configuration. And let me begin with this configuration. So I will take you to my lab. So guys, here I have two same server I'm using. So I have done the basic things, what and all I required. Like as you can see here, Active Directory certificate service, Active Directory domain service, DNS, and even I have enabled remote routing. That is why I'm able to communicate with two separate network. Now I have to install. This is the second video. So the second step you can see. So here I have to install that role, that is federation role. Okay. So same, I'm sure you know how to select these things. So Active Directory Federation service you have to select. You have to install this on both the server and just give next here. So I've done on my india.com. I'm going to my second server, second domain, forest. Both are separate forest. And give here Active Directory Federation service and give next. Once it is done, I will show you the rest of configuration. So we'll have what and all I told you just now here in PPT. Each and everything we will be having after this configuration only, all those things. So just it is about to be completed just now. This installation is almost done. It is just about for few minutes, a few seconds it seems. If it is done, now we need to configure this. So you can select from here itself, configure the federation service on this server. Okay, so I'm just giving command from here only. Now it is telling you before going further you should have one service account. Okay, service user account. So I need to create that. I'm just going users and computers. On both server it is better you create one separate service account for this user account. So I'm here, domain, users, I'm just copying administrator only. Okay, and I'm giving f admin, that is my federation admin. Here also on both server we should create. You can give different name, but I'm giving same name only. So now I'm going to my india.com. I'm done with this. Okay, and it is open it seems. This one here you have to select. It is telling you, like, select an option below, create the first federation server in the federation server form, or add a federation server to federation server form. So we don't have anything as of now. Okay, so we'll create new only. And here you can change this Active Directory domain service, like current user. So I'm not changing, I'm going with the same. Here you have to select that certificate. Okay, as you can see here, now it is showing you two certificate, so you have to check that SSL certificate only. So that SSL certificate is, like, it seems 002. Okay, I will verify that also, that second certificate I didn't select, what it is telling. This is 3. I need that 2 only. 2 means that IIS server, IIS certificate I had created here. So I will verify whether it is 2 or 3. This one I need. So it should be 002. 002 I need this this SSL, because it is winded with SSL. So I need this 2. Serial number should be same. Okay, and You can give any name here, federation. So I'm giving India hyphen FD hyphen 2019. Okay, and just click next here. Now that service account will come here. Either you can create a group managed service account, or I have that one, so I need to select from here. If admin I had given here, and check name. Here it is available, and that password, and click next. So this is I'm doing on my india.com, and it is asking for database. So I'm using internal database only. I don't have any SQL server. So same we have to do on this also. I'm going there only direct. So just go to configure federation server here, create new, and here also just select. Here again you will have to view which is your web server certificate. So it is telling 002. We'll have to go to IIS to confirm. 002 it is telling. So it is also 002 1B. Once again, yes, same, and just give like it is ABCD FD 2019. Click next, give a name, select admin, password, next, and again give next here. So it will take some time. Just click next here. Now it is telling all tests passed, and click configure. If any issue is there, it will tell you some error, failed, like that. So as of now there is no error, everything is okay, and just click next here. And successfully it is configured now. So once this configuration is done, we will have all the options available. So it is done. Close this. Now you can go to federation, Active Directory Federation Management. So as you can see here, we are getting all the options, services, attributes, authentication method, certificate, claim description, device registration, endpoints, scope description, web application proxy, and all. So I will discuss all the things one by one, okay, in my coming up videos. In this we will see few things only, like authentication method. As you can see here, primary method, additional authentication method, we can edit from here. A couple of things like certificate authentication, device authentication, Windows authentication. So I will show you a couple of things, few things here. Okay, so let me see the secondary server. So it is done here also. Now just click next. Nothing is required from here. You can go to console. So here also you can see each and everything coming. Now we have deployed Active Directory Federation service. Now in this video, we'll see a couple of things like, whether it is done or not. Like it will have some, I have one URL from there. We can check couple of things like property of this ADFS. So you can run PowerShell. You should go to PowerShell here, Server Manager, PowerShell. We'll try this. Okay, so I'm just trying this command get. I shouldn't use this, it seems. Get hyphen command put star hyphen adfs, give star once again and hit enter. So let's see if something is coming. Oh no, some error is there. So I'm just closing this. PowerShell. I use this now. This time I will go with this one. This is fine. Get command. Where is the star? ADFS star. Hit enter. So it will give you lots of commands here, lots of things, as you can see here. Okay. This is the command you can verify. And if you scroll down, it is like very long commands. What and all is available here. And next, like you can run command like get sorry, it's not showing, it's not visible here. Get हो क्या रहा है get get property. We can see like adfs property, properties, click enter. So these are the properties. As you can see here, something is true, false, lots of things. Okay, so I'm not going in deep in this, and just I will show you. We will see whether this data meta file is created properly or not. If you go to Federation service here, so you will see lots of things like application, claim provider, or attributes, authentication method. I told you this. If you go to, these are these some entries, claim type basically. Okay, so we will see here there will be some default created claim type. We will create one claim type here and we will see whether it is showing or not. And here like endpoints, if you go to endpoints, you can see this data meta file is showing here, this federation. Okay, we will verify this soon here. Okay, so for that I have that file on my one text file. So let me minimize it and try to open that file here. This, where is new folder? So I have this file and there is a command. This command I need to change a couple of things here. I need to give my domain name like winindia.com, winindia -ad dot india.com. So guys, this is a command, as you can see here. Okay, https, this is my host name. Okay, and federation, this URL we will check, so it should give you something. So this is, I'm going on my india.com, this one, open Internet Explorer, that is called claim basically. We'll see. Click OK. This is just for verification of that data meta file. So as you can see here, there are a couple of already created data meta files are coming. Okay, these are the whatever I'm talking about. These things, claims basically. And if you copy this last one and put it on Internet Explorer, what will come? We'll see. Verify here. It will give you a page. Click add. So it is giving you what we have created, India FD Federation 2019. This is a login page here, but you can see here it is showing you one error. To fix this error, again I have one command. We need to register that. I need to register this, enable IDP initiated single sign-on page first of all. Then only we will be able to fix that error. So once again I'm going to my india.com, and here I need to use PowerShell once again. PowerShell, where I clicked this PowerShell, and let me paste here. So I have pasted, and let's see whether it is successful or any error. So there is no error, it is done. Okay, else it would have given me any error. And now I will have to I need this command here also once again. I mean certain part I need, and this Internet Explorer also. So as you can see here, it is giving some error. So what you have to do, you have to take a small part from here, this much, and what I have done, okay, you just need to copy this. Okay, and I will make one more URL here, .aspx. I'm just completing, and this URL you have to make. My way may not be good the way I'm doing here, but this is what you have to complete this URL. And before this you have to put, so this is a complete URL now, and if you put this URL, you will have complete login page here. And this page is called Windows authentication page basically. So if you go here and put this complete command, so you got this, as you can see here, you are not signed in. Okay, and if you click sign in, you will get just like we get MSTSC page to log in, administrator credential and all. This is what we get here, and this is called like Windows authentication. If you want to remove this, and if you want like it should ask only password, I mean some other thing, that is called form authentication. So you can change it easily. So I'm just cancelling it. I have not configured any user end, so I'm not able to log in. I'm not logging in. In my next video I will show you how to log in this. So I did this on my india.com. okay, if I need to do on my abcd.com, here also you have to do the same thing. First verification you should do, you should go to Internet Explorer. So we have done already the basic things. Okay, you just need to take this URL and this complete URL, and here you will have to change only system name. So this is my abcd.com. first of all, abcd.com is domain. and this is also ABCD, fully qualified domain name, system name basically. And if I put this URL now on my second server, click ask later, and you will get certain claims. So just keep OK. So same, you can see couple of things here. Okay, these are the claims. So once again, if you take this URL and put here, you will get login page, but again you will have to add that small ending path. What I had added here for this. So I'm just copying from here this much information. First you need to register this. Okay, then only it will work on the secondary server also. So just copy and first register this, click OK. Okay, so it is also telling you some error. So for that I told you, you need to run this command here. First you need to register. Okay, hit enter. So yes, it is done. And notepad, this is the command. I need this much information from here on my secondary server. Just put it. Once again I will take my Internet Explorer and this half command, this half URL. And put here. So now remove this. What is that? Remove this slash. It's getting hang, it seems, my laptop now. Mouse is not working, it seems. I'm facing some challenges in copy paste. Okay, just keep here and you will see login page, Windows authentication. So till the time it is coming, let me go to india.com, and here I will show you something like, go to this authentication, how to change that web page. So this is called authentication method. If you edit this primary, it will tell you like form authentication, certificate authentication, device authentication, Windows authentication. So if you remove this Windows authentication and where it is going, remove this Windows authentication and click apply, and this is for internet. Okay, and I'm not selecting anything as of now. I will just go to Internet Explorer and refresh it. So still it is coming same. It should not come. So for that, what I need to do, I need to take this complete URL once again. My cursor is not working at all. Copy this and paste here. So as you can see here, it came from, and if you want, you can change Even this name also from here, it should be like somewhere it will be. I'm not getting that option, I just missed it. Like edit federation service property, if you go from here you can change this. It is showing you. If I want I can remove it from here, or let me give my name to just show you. Okay, a couple of things you can change from here, and just click apply and just go to Internet Explorer and refresh it. So as you can see here, it got changed. And this is what same thing you can do on secondary server also. So you got this sign in that is called Windows. Okay, and you can change it from it coming Windows authentication. You can change it from here. Just go to authentication method, edit this, remove this, and apply and refresh. Still it is coming, not an issue. Go to this one and select paste it. So it is coming correct. And now we will create one claim type. Okay, for that what you need to do, anywhere you can go to this option. You have to go to this and just claim descriptions, add claim, and any name you can give, like my favorite I'm giving, my favorite color I'm giving. And here claim identifier you should give, and I think I should have this on my, no, it is not showing here. Let me see, I have that one more URL. Yes, this I can put this, like, you know, http www favorite color .com claim color description. So whether it is coming or not, we'll see here. So it should come on this. Okay, here it should come somewhere. So for that you need to go to this option, give identifier, give in description also. Short name you can give, you should select both the option here. Okay, and as you can see here, my favorite color I gave here, and same thing you can do it here also. Like go to claim descriptions, right click, add claim description. I'm giving my fav only, fav and see color. Okay, same you can put here also and here also, and select both the options. And okay, now just go to Internet Explorer once again and try to refresh it. So we will see here that favorite what and all just now I added, somewhere it will come. If it is not, then so as you can see here, it is coming. Just now I added this side. So this is just verification, for verification I added here. Okay, and even if you go to this, so as of now you cannot see that favorite color and all here. I'm showing you once again, there is no favorite color and all. If I refresh, that claim will come here. So this is what I was talking about. So as you can see here, this URL I added just now. Okay, so guys, in this video this much information only. So I just took you through how to install Federation service, how to check data meta file, how to verify new claim type, and it is showing successfully. And in next video we'll see some other thing. I will show you, like, other part of this, like how to configure Active Directory Federation service for internal user to access an internal claim aware application. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice time. Thanks for watching for this video and wait for my next video.